So what I'm going to do here is show you through a fair launch of a coin. This coin is called Blue Cat, and the launch is going to be coming up in around 15 minutes here. We're just about to jump into the AMA that they're going to have before the fair launch, and we're going to listen, see what they have to say, and then when the launch comes out, I'm going to expect a pump and then a dump, and then I'm going to buy it in the dump and see where it goes from there. So this is just going to be a quick video just to show you kind of how fair launches work and when the good times to invest are. Now this can go two ways. Like I said, it can pump and then it can dump, which is what most of them do, or it can pump and kind of flatline at the top, in which case I won't actually have a chance to buy in, but usually it does pump and dump because the bots buy it really quicker than we're able to buy it, and then dump it when the price goes up. So anyway, we'll see how it goes in a minute.
Okay. Welcome everyone to this wonderful VC, this amazing VC. This VC is the official VC for the Blue Cut. And before I go on saying anything, I would be giving uh, Blue Cat the avenue to give an introduction of what this project really entails. And after that, we will be moving forward to you'll be given the advantage to ask any kind of question you feel like asking. So, guys, let Blue Cat take over the mic from me right now. Okay. Seems Blue Cat is busy. Seems Blue Cat is busy. So, I would be allowing those that want to ask a question. I'll be giving you free space to ask a question. I already see somebody raising hands. I would want to make this clear. If you want to ask a question, just raise your hands, and I'll be giving you the opportunity to ask your questions. Here we have 57 on the VC, and that is a very nice population. Very nice population. Okay, Rajiv Adwani. I will be giving you the opportunity to ask your question. Okay, Rajiv, you are unmuted. Okay, Rajiv. Okay, I suggest Blue Cat is actually working on a lot of things. I would need extra hands for those that will be helping me unmute those that are asking questions. So let me give you a little brief insight on what this project entails. Now, this project is it's unlike any other project. This is a unique project with a fair launch, and this project seeks to see that every member, everybody who buys from it gets an amazing reward. I believe most of you have gone to the website and you see that the reward, the distribution reward is 4%, which is a very amazing one. You hardly get to any project that will give you that voluminous reward back. And the most important part is that it comes every hour. It comes every hour. Okay, 94 participants on the VC. That is amazing. So it makes your life comfortable. Now, most of you are doing 2 jobs, most of you are doing 3 jobs, most of you are doing 4 jobs, and even more just to be comfortable. Now, if you are tired of that kind of life, if you want to live that kind of life, you want to be wealthy, but you don't want to be stressing, you don't want to be doing 3, 4, 5 jobs to get some money to maybe feed, pay tuition fees, and the rest of them, Blue Card is for you. Blue Card has decided to make life a little bit friendly, easy for its members, and even beyond that, it has decided to see how to make you so wealthy that you can even employ your boss. You can actually employ your boss, and you can pay your boss. I believe that is ironical, but to some extent that is actually true. Yeah, that is true because you could pay, you could actually employ your boss and pay him for for a long time. In other words, you are now the boss. Okay, Blue Cat, I believe you are with us right now. I just discovered you unmuted and muted yourself, so you're with us right now. Blue Cat. Okay, so guys, like I was saying before now, um, please do not buy from any other contract that is not the contract address that was pinned by the dev. And apart from that, also make sure you are always safe and make sure you do your research before investing in any project. That is one of the best you could ever do for yourself. Now, do not forget, please make sure you shield this project. Now, why I would say you should shield this project is because this project is not just for the team, it's for the community. And the community is made up of no other person than the members of the community. Now, if you want this project to actually go far, you are the ones that are going to do that yourself, and you are going to be supporting the team by saying that. I mean, you could actually shield this project to ensure that your bag is filled. Okay, Mark Smith. Mark Smith is Mark Smith. You want to ask a question? You'll be unmuted shortly to ask a question. Mark Smith.
So I'm just going to jump in here. As you can see, it's done exactly what I thought it was going to do. It has pumped, and then it has started to dump back down, which was obviously expected. You can see all the dumpers here. So I'm just going to see how far it goes before it starts to correct, and then I'm going to invest 0.1 BNB. So obviously just a tiny amount today, more to show you what happens with these fair launch coins. This is like extremely common. The chart is bugging out a little bit, which is annoying. But yeah, it's I mean it's fairly easy to see what's going on here. It's dumped all the way down from there, which isn't a massive deal because it is only at like 6.9 thousand market cap, and it looks like it's starting to return now. So I'm probably going to jump in. There we go. So I just jumped in there while it's still pretty low. Could have been lower, but I was actually talking. I was talking when I should have been paying attention. So, oh well, doesn't matter. But it's going to return now, and I mean, to be fair, it doesn't look like the best coin in the world. But we will see. It does look like it looks like a bit of a scam. But I mean, it's only at 7,000 market cap. And the holdings are, the liquidity pool holdings are 10.2 BNB, so we could be looking at least 45,000 market cap, which would be a 4x on what I've done before it tops out, if it does well. Obviously, we will see. But I will be sure to update you on where it goes. But that's pretty much how you invest. Oh, look, a big dump. Nice. That is pretty much how you invest in the fair launches. They're not too safe. You can get good ones. This is obviously a very small one. So it's always mindful to be careful and just know how the bots work, because they are always going to be able to buy the coin faster than you're able to buy the coin. So that's why you kind of got to wait for that initial dump, just to make sure you're getting in at a good and stable price. Otherwise, if you try and get in at the start, you're going to be buying in way up here, which obviously doesn't make a huge difference if it is a small coin, but if it is a bigger coin, then it's definitely worth waiting. So I'll just give a quick update. It's been about 15 minutes. No, sorry, it's been about 45 minutes since the launch of the coin, and they're starting to release some calls in some call groups and a little bit of promotion. And as you can see, I have nearly 2x to my investment. I am not going to pull out yet, however, as I do think the market cap will get to around 50k or 45k before I should then pull out. So just an update, I will sit on and watch for a little bit longer and then show you where the investment has got to. So coming back with an update, this is a prime example of why you need to be careful and always assume that you're going to lose the money that you invest. Treat it as betting and you will not be too disheartened. So everything was going pretty well until around this point here. Around this point here, the developer decided to put the sell tax to 99%, meaning you cannot sell your coins. All of these sales here were sold by the contract. I'm not sure how they did it. either sold by the contract or the developer wallet or something like that, meaning they had special access to sell and no one else did. So while all these people were buying, they were selling, and inevitably you cannot sell and you have been scammed. So I mean, prime example of what you need to look out for. As I said, this was a demonstration. I hardly invested anything, but some people invested, 2 BNB, which is like £500, and they would have lost that money. So it's always something to look out for. You need to be extremely, extremely careful. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up and check out all the links in the description below for my free Telegram community, and check out some of my other videos on how to prevent to get scammed on PinkSale and other crypto coins.